Hi everyone, welcome back to Creators Hub. Today we are going to be solving one of the most exciting parts of the Rubik's Cube, the last layer. If you have been following along with the basics of solving the Rubik's Cube, this is the final step to getting all the pieces in place and solving the cube completely. So let's dive right in. After solving the second layer of the Rubik's Cube, you will end up in one of these situations. A dot, only the yellow center piece is visible with no yellow edges around it. Or an L with two adjacent yellow pieces forming an L shape. Or a line, two opposite yellow edges form a straight line. Or a yellow cross. All four yellow edges pieces are solved, forming a cross. For this step, you are going to use the same set of moves regardless of which scenario you have. You will progress through each stage to reach the yellow cross. Step 1. From the dot to the L. If you have no yellow edges around your yellow center, you have the dot scenario. Don't worry about the corners at this stage and perform the following moves. Turn the front face clockwise. Turn the right side upwards. Turn the top to the left, bring the right side down and turn the top back to the right and turn the front clockwise. Now you should have an L at the bottom right corner. Step 2. From the L to the line. Next, position your L in the top left corner like this. The yellow edges should be in the top and the left. Perform the same set of moves yet again. Turn the front face clockwise, turn the right side upwards, turn the top face to the left, bring the right side down, turn the top face back to the right and turn the front face counterclockwise. And now you should have a horizontal line on your yellow face. Step 3. From the line to the cross. If your yellow line is vertical, rotate the top layer so it becomes horizontal and perform the same set of moves once more. Turn the front face clockwise, turn the right side upwards, turn the top face to the left, bring the right side down, turn the top face back to the right and turn the front face counterclockwise. And now you have a cross on the top face of your Rubik's Cube. Congratulations! When you first get a yellow cross, you will notice that not all the edge pieces match with their centers. Usually, 2 of them will align and 2 of them won't. If you are lucky, all 4 of them will match, but that's pretty rare. Step 1. Finding matching edge pieces. Rotate the top layer to check if 2 edge pieces match their centers. So let's rotate the top layer. Green and red do not match. Red and red do match. Blue and green do not match. Orange and orange do match. If none match, keep rotating the top layer until 2 align. Step 2. Okay. Placement of matching edges. If the 2 matching edges are across from each other like this, position them at the front and at the back and perform the following algorithm. Right side up, top to the left, right side down, top to the left, right side up, top to the left twice and right side down. Now you should have the 2 matching edge pieces like this, right next to each other. Now place them at the back side and at the right and perform the algorithm again. Right side up, top to the left, right side down, top to the left, right side up, top to the left twice, right side down. And now all the edge pieces should be matching. Here's a small tip for you all. Think of these moves like this: up, over, down, over, up, over, down. This will help you remember the steps easily. So now let's solve the yellow corners. Now let's focus on the yellow corners. First, we want to position them correctly. Then we'll rotate them to face the right direction. Step 1. Identifying the correct corners. Look at each corner and see if its 3 colors match up the surrounding centers. So let's check. Red, yellow and green do not match green, orange and yellow. Yellow, blue and red do not match orange, yellow and blue. Blue, orange and yellow do not match yellow, blue and red. Green, yellow and orange do not match red, green and yellow. None of them match. So let's perform this algorithm. Top to the left, right side up, top to the right, left side up, top to the left, left side, right side down, top to the right, left side down. And now one of the pieces will match. So keep that in the left hand side and perform the algorithm again. Top to the left, right side up, top to the right, left side up, top to the left, right side down, top to the right, left side down. And now all the pieces should be in place. Finally, now you will rotate the corner so that the yellow face is fully complete. So step 1, focus on one corner at a time. So let's place an unsolved corner in the front right position like this. And now we will perform this algorithm. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right. Yeah, and this is the algorithm, but we will perform this algorithm until this corner piece is fully solved. So let's perform it again. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right. Now this piece is solved. So now let's rotate the top layer to this unsolved part. So we will rotate the top layer to the unsolved part and perform the algorithm yet again. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up, bottom to the right. Right side down, bottom to the left, right side up and bottom to the right. Now if you rotate the top layer, you will have fully finished Rubik's Cube. Congratulations! You should have fully finished Rubik's Cube by completing the algorithm. Congrats! You have now completely solved the Rubik's Cube. I hope this tutorial made the final layer much easier to understand. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.